Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss about the social groups that existed in Europe in 18th and 19th century and also the emergence of middle class. So let's get started. In Europe in 18th and 19th century, basically there were two sections in the society. First, one was aristocrats and the other one was peasants. Now, aristocrats were rich people. They had a certain lifestyle. They owned large piece of lands, and they had estates in countryside and also in towns. They were very small in number. However, they were very powerful. So this was about aristocrats. The other section of society was peasants. Peasants were the ones who formed a large section of the society. Now they were not owners of a large piece of land. They had small pieces of land, or they farmed on, or they did farming on someone else's land. So this was peasants and aristocrats. However, around midst of 18th century, a new class emerged in Europe. Now this new class was working class. Why did this new class emerge? Because during 18th and midst of 18th century, industrial revolution had gained momentum in England and other parts of Europe. So people started moving from countryside to towns, and they started working in industries and factories. So they formed one section of the society. There was another section of the society which was middle class. Now who constituted this middle class? Middle class consisted of businessmen, industrialists, educated people, professionals like doctors, engineers, etc. Amongst this middle class, there were peoples who were called as liberals. Liberals meaning these are people who are broad-minded. They are open to change in the society. So the thought of nationalism or national unity was very popular amongst this section of the society. So this was about social groups in Europe. In the coming video, we are going to discuss about liberals. So till then, bye-bye.